I'm fine. I just dropped my cane, my stick. And when I did, it hurt because then I had to hold myself up. I don't know if that's even showing. That's more. Okay. I'm going to get this over with. That's all I'm going to do. I've drank some water. I did stretches this morning, but walking about has not been good. Get over here. And yeah, I'm going to step up here. I'm going to get on here. I'm going to do this. And I'm going to make it. Oh my God. And I'm going to go very slow. So, boring, no doubt. Okay, let's see if I can remember how to do anything. I am so tired already. Okay, I don't like it. That's as low as it goes. I know, snowman. We're just going to have to deal with it. We're going to deal with it. We're going to deal with it. It's okay. I'll try not to scream. There we go. Please. Hey! I can't say that at you. Wow, my heart feels Snowman. I want to go. I'm going to throw something at you in a minute. I'm going to try, but if I twist, it'll hurt. Take that. Yeah. I'll do it again. You can get it. Can you get this? Huh? Can you get it? Ow. Okay. We're doing good. Hey. All right. You really suck. Making me do this really sucks. Ugh. Go in your cage. Go. Go. Go in your cage. Get that. Get it. Come on. Hey, hey, hey. I'm okay. You're okay. Hey, hey. It's all right. It's all right, baby. It's all right. It's all right. Mama's all right. I'm sorry I screamed. Oh my God. Hold on. Let me find something. Oh. Bye. Please, please let me come in the room. Please. I really need to do this and you're not helping. Come out of the cage and be nice. Oh my God. Look at that. Not helping. If I had earplugs, I would get them. Oh, here's something you can play with. Ow! Oh my God. Oh. Here. See what you can do about these. Here's something to distract you. Shut up. Here's something to distract you. Have fun with that. Should I put this one on your tail? Did you want this one? You got it? Okay. All right. You chew that up. Now I'm going to try and get my laughter. Oh my God. Oh God. Okay. Oh man, I don't have my thingy on. Pick it up. Oh, Steve. I'll be here all freaking day doing this. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna keep on doing it. I'm not gonna make it all the way around the track, dude. I seriously got it. Stand up. Stand up. Sorry, I didn't mean to make a screaming meaning noise when it hurt. Try to keep that under control. I just heard a fire plane go over. Oh, God. All right, if I get half of that, I'll be happy. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Oh, my God. Thank you, God. Thank you for letting me walk on a treadmill in pain. That hurts still. Okay. 27. And my other knee hurts. Smile, life is beautiful. I got this. Focus on the water. Okay. Relax instead of tense. Relax. 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 Oh, it hurts. Hurts so good. No, it doesn't. Come on, baby, make it hurt so good. Sometimes love don't feel like it should. All right. If I get to half a lap, I will call it quits. Relax. I'm not gonna make it. All right, let's slow this down. Let's slow this baby down. Oh God. No, I don't want to do this. Wait, do I want to go for a walk? Oh yes. I can do this. I can do this. Oh my God. I don't want to start crying. to go get another one. Go get one of your other toys. Go get one of your other toys. I'm doing fine. Please don't yell. I think I'm done anyway. Oh my god, that's nothing. Okay, well, I didn't make my goal, and I don't really care. No, man, stop. Please don't do this. I've got to be in here. I can put you in the trash. You think I can't? I'll pull your tail. I'm coming. I'm gonna get it. Troublemaker. Ugh, ugh. Okay, that's it. We're done. Oh, can't take the bird. Can't take the pain.